Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for 300 subscribers. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to show you guys different ways that I style my twist out. If you know me, you know I love twist outs, and I purposely do twist sometimes just to carry the twist out. Anyway, the first style is this one. Just pack 2 puffs and leave some in front and at the back, and voila, that's it guys. I feel like I'm joking around in this voiceover, but yeah. So the second style, I just turned the puff into a bun, because anywhere you see me, you will see me styling a bun. Like, I love buns so much. So you can do this for any of the other styles you will see. You can either leave it as a puff or turn it to a bun. And yeah, so guys, the third style, or like call it the second or the third, I just packed high puff, and I wanted you to look like a bow as well. So I packed the high puff and I left some in front, and that was it. So for this next one, I just turned the one I left in front and I just packed it to the side and pinned it down. Still the same thing for this one, but instead of having puff only, I packed some in the middle and I left some at the back. I feel like these styles are very straightforward by the way, so I'm just trying to explain them for better understanding. And let me know if you guys will be trying out these styles. The last one, I just packed high puff, yeah, and I didn't even know it was going to turn out this nice, but yeah, I just packed the high puff and it looked so good. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying any of these styles and which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.